As dawn broke, Emma found a line of animals at her door, each carrying a gift: a fox with a rose, a squirrel with an acorn, and a dove with an olive branch. They were there to honor her bravery. Last winter, Emma had saved the forest from a devastating fire, risking her life to protect the wildlife. Her courage had inspired the entire community, proving that one woman's strength could indeed change the world. Now, as the animals gathered, Emma realized her true power lay not just in her actions, but in the hope she ignited.